Assalamu alaikum. This is a story from Quran.
لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين.
The story is about one of Allah's favorite prophet, the Prophet Yunus alayhi salam.
Prophet Yunus found himself caught in a raging storm, tossed by waves into the deep ocean.
Then the sea gave way, and he was swallowed by a great whale.
In utter darkness, he cried out the prayer, La ilaha illa anta, subhanaka inni kuntu min al-dhalimin.
He repeated this plea day and night in sincere repentance.
By Allah's will, the storm subsided, and the whale rose to the surface, sailing to a calm shore at dawn.
By morning the sea lay calm, and Prophet Yunus alayhi salam was saved but weak, shaking.
The story of Prophet Yunus teaches us that sometimes life swallows us whole, not in the mouth of a whale, but in the darkness of fear and regret. And when every direction feels closed, there is still one path open, the path to Allah. Yunus found light in a place where light did not exist because he remembered the one who never leaves. You are never too lost to be found again. If this reflection brought a little light to your heart, they'll like, subscribe, and share it forward. Someone else may need this reminder too.